friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a cell size in Google Sheets. So what you want to do, once you're in your Google Sheet, you want to find that cell that you want to basically change. And I want to point out that you're not able to change a single cell, but it will also impact the rows. So while you're able to play around and make the size of a specific column, it will impact the rows as well. So let me show you what I mean. So once you select that particular row, right, or that particular cell, I'm going to choose, for example, row 10, right, or the cell 10 here. So I'm going to basically select this one here that has been highlighted. Now, in order to change the cell size, you can do it. You'll be able to do it from the column D and also from the row 10. That's how you'd impact this one. So go ahead and adjust it to whatever you want. So I'm going to drag this across, and in order to basically select it, you want to hover towards the right hand side of that particular column, and you want to left click. So you click and hold and just drag it to wherever you want. And as you can see, I just made that. Now towards the left hand side, you will see the number 10 that also selected that particular row. And for this one, now you want to hover over that particular row, and towards the bottom side of it, you will see that you have the option to select or to hover over it, and you have that same icon that allows you to control it. So you want to left click again and hold, and just simply drag up or drag down. Dragging it down is basically expanding it, and bringing it up, it's simply making it smaller. So I'm going to bring it down, and once I let go, you see here it literally impact the entire row, right? And as you can see, the entire row 10 is being impacted. However, in terms of the columns, it's only that one single column that has been impacted in terms of that wider space, right? But you can see that in terms of the width, for this particular column, it changes the entire width. So there's nothing you can go about, there's nothing you can really do about that, because it's impacting the width and it's also impacting the column. If you don't want to change, for example, the width of the column, then you basically would not mess with this width here. You will leave it as is, and it would impact only the column. And this, and vice versa, if you only wanted to impact the size, or let's say you will just basically leave this one as is and basically just adjust the column itself. But you get the general idea. That's how you go ahead and change the cell size in your Google Sheet document, guys. Very easy and very simple.